How many fish are we going to catch today?
We're hoping for a good, at least one apiece. I need at least 5 to come off this boat, cleaned.
Okay.
You know, I'm hoping for 2. I'm from Georgia. I'm more hillbilly than most people here. You know, that would be nice if I could go home and tell them I schooled the New Yorkers in fishing. Rumor has it if we run out of bait, we're using me. I don't know if that's going to actually happen. I don't know why Julio has 2 shirts on. Somebody should give him a temperature check. Look at this.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's cold out here.
Me and Julie are going bareback. No
we need
sunscreen.
Look at his blanket. You might as well brought a blanket and put it around him.
You have got to be prepared. You got to be, because otherwise
50.
it would ruin my day.
50. Sun repellent.
It's white out.
Number 2 for Rob.
He's cheating.
Yeah, you got to move over the spot.
How you cheating,
Hi, I'm Dan
Rob?
Patrick. The Brad Paisley Bass Invitational set to get underway in Nashville. When it comes to the host himself,
said it twice.
you can't stop it. You can only hope to contain it.
You're cheating.
He's got the touch.
Put your finger in his mouth.
No.
But I love to fish. I spend all day out on this lake, and hell is all I catch. But today she met me at the door, said I would have to choose. And if I hit that fishing hole today, she'd be packing all her things and she'd be gone by noon. Well, I'm gonna miss her when I get home. Right now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun. I'm sure it'll hit me when I walk through that door tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, I've got a bite.
This just in, Brad's got a bite.
Hey, welcome to the show. Maybe it's a story you can relate to. We have 4 lovely ladies, and these husbands are going fishing and leaving these women alone. These women are mad. They want their husbands to be. I'm going fish.
All he wants to do is fish. He has a special plan.
Why didn't you?
There's a chance that if I hurry, I could beg her to stay. That water's right and the weather's perfect. No telling what I might catch today. So I'm gonna miss her.
There's been an outcry.
I get
Investigation.
home.
A formal complaint has been filed. He's cheating.
Right now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun. I'm sure it'll hit me
That had to hurt.
when I walk through that door tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, another bite. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there.
Brad Paisley, dare I say, in Fuego.
I've got a bite.
Sounds like maybe you shouldn't be with any girl. You should be with a fish. I've thought about that.